Welcome to in front of me, so I am a Redmi Note 11 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. In my case that will be the new one to have a little bit more space to show you how you can do that. And now just to add the widget you should hold for a while your screen with your finger by this way, or just to slide with your fingers at the same time to the center, or by this way hold for a while the screen and you will see the widgets icon. Just tap once on the icon and here you can see all the available widgets that we can add to our device screen. For example, we can add here the clock. Here we got the three types of clocks. For example, we'll go with this one. We can move this widget here on the screen, as you can see. For example, we'll stay here with this widget and we can add here one more widget. For example, the calculator or the calendar. Just click once and you'll see this widget here and the new widget on the screen. By the same way you can here move this widget on the screen. Also we can create the new screen with the widget if you want, and if you want to just remove the widget, click here to remove icon, hold for a while and click to remove, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.